Welcome to Upstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail emails in bulk. To do that, open Gmail and login. Now, there are few different ways to do it. Let's start with deleting selected emails. You can selectively check conversations that you want to delete. Hit delete icon and selected conversations will be deleted. If you want to delete all conversations from a single sender, right-click one email from that sender and select Find Emails from that sender. Now, this is very important. These are not all emails. These are just most relevant emails. Because if I select all emails, I don't get the link to delete all conversations. These conversations are more than 50 or 100 because it is displayed here. 1 to 100 of many. So from this drop down, select Most Recent. Then select All Emails by clicking this checkbox. And then click this link. Select all conversations that match this search. Now all the conversations in this search are selected. Hit delete icon and confirm bulk action. Press OK. It will take some time, but all these conversations will be deleted in few seconds. So all conversations will be deleted from that particular sender. Like so. Okay, Gmail has got these tabs to organize emails by their type, such as primary, promotions, social, updates, and forums. If you want to delete all conversations under a specific tab, under a specific category, you can do it. Click that tab. I will select social. Select all by checking this checkbox at the top. And then click this link. Select all conversations in social. After that, click delete icon. Confirm bulk action. Press OK. Now all emails from this tab will be gone. It will take some time, as it is mentioned here, but these emails will be gone. Like so. My social tab is empty now. Now here are more tricks that you can use to clean your Gmail account selectively. You can select all emails with specific type of file attachments and delete them all. For example, if I want to delete all emails containing JPG files, I can search filename:JPG and hit enter. All emails containing JPG files will appear. Select all. Click this link. Select all conversations that match this search. Now all conversations containing JPG files in this Gmail account are selected. Click delete icon to delete them all. Similarly, you can select emails with PNG files. Filename:PNG. Hit enter. And all emails containing PNG files, PNG images will appear here. You can search PDF files. Filename:PDF. And emails containing PDF files will appear. You can check all, select all conversations, and hit delete icon. You can even select emails that have attachments bigger than a certain size. For example, file size: 1 MB. Emails containing files that are bigger than 1 MB or equal to 1 MB. Hit enter, and here are the emails containing those attachments that are bigger than 1 MB. Select all and hit delete icon. This trick will help you quickly clean your Gmail account selectively, and you will be able to recover a lot of space in your Gmail account. Of course, there are more filters in search that you can explore. You can search by subject, date, words, size, attachment, and more. And if you want to just empty your Gmail account, you can do so. From the left, click More, and then select All Mail. And here you will see all the emails in your Gmail account. Click this top checkbox to select all, and then click this link. Select all conversations in all mail. All conversations selected. Now we can hit delete icon to delete everything from this inbox. Once you get rid of all those unwanted emails, don't forget to empty trash, because emails don't get deleted straight away. Deleted emails go to trash folder. So from left side, click More and select Trash. And here are all the emails in trash. Empty all trash by just hitting empty trash now link. Confirm deleting messages. Press OK. Deleting all messages from trash. This much conversations left to delete here. So Gmail is working in background. When this process will be completed, this message will be gone. And that's it. All conversations from trash were deleted. So this is how you can delete bulk emails from Gmail quickly and easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.